In this tutorial, we will see that how you can fix TikTok creator tools not showing. So let's fix this. So for the step 1, so if the TikTok's creator tools are not showing up on your account, it could be due to various reasons such as account type, region restrictions or app glitches. So here's some of troubleshoot and fix this issue. So first thing that you can do is check account type. So to do it, from your TikTok profile, you will see here these 3 lines from right top side. Click here and then click on this gear icon that's showing here. It will open up the settings and privacy. Then you have to open this account and here it will show you this switch to business account. If it's showing switch to personal account, it means you have already business or creator account. If it's showing here switch to business account like me, that means you have to convert or switch your personal account to business account. So to switch it, click on this switch to business account and click next. Then at last you have to choose the category of your account. After choosing it, you can add up your email or you can skip this. You can add your bio and continue. So you can see here we have now registered business account. You can close it. This was the first step, and then you can simply refresh your account by just close and open to see if there is creator tools option is showing or not. If it's still not showing, what you can do is again click on these 3 lines from right top side, click on this gear icon and scroll a bit. You will find here free up space, open it and simply clear cache from here. Clear it. Sometimes clear the app cache can resolve issues, and after doing it, click back and scroll a bit. You will find here this switch account option or log out. Simply you have to log out your account from here. After logging out, you have to log in again. It will resolve the all glitches from your account, and then you can check creator tools option are showing or not. If it's still not showing, close it and open Google and search for TikTok creator tools eligible countries. Here you can see that eligibility requirements. Here are some of countries where these creator tools are running, like US, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, Korea and UK. If you are not from these countries, then you will not see any creator tools option on your TikTok. But if you are from these countries, what you can do is simply report a problem. Open TikTok and open settings and privacy. Then here, if you scroll a bit, you will find here report a problem. Open it and scroll it down. Here select creator tools analytics. Select other from here and then click on this need more help. It will open up this TikTok help desk where you have to type your issue, like I'm typing here creator tools option is not showing in my TikTok account. Simply send it. It will give you these 2 options to select, like who is eligible for the creator rewards program. You can click here, then it will generate automatic reply if you are eligible, like it's saying hi, thanks for interest in TikTok creator program. Currently the program is not available in your region yet. Please try participating in other fantastic events first and stay tuned. So these were the sum of helps and troubleshoots that help you to fix creator tools options are not showing if you are in eligible country.